Today, we will be discussing how to make the hose reel constant tension on a Series 9000 reel. Begin by removing the bumper from the hose. Next, unlatch the reel and feed the hose through the roller guides to release the tension. Then, remove the nuts and bolts from the bearing assembly. Once those have been removed, you'll want to support the spool. Once it's supported, remove the nuts and bolts from the side frame. Next, remove the 4 nuts from the latch bracket and the large nut from the latch post. Once those have been removed, locate the small nut from the spring post and remove it. This should release the latch and spring. Set those aside. Now you can reverse the steps. Reinstall the nuts and bolts to the side frame and end frames. Next, reinstall the nuts and bolts to the bearing assembly. You can now add tension to the spool by turning it up to 3 times until the desired tension is set. Last, reinstall your bumper back onto your hose. Now you can use your Series 9000 reel in constant tension. For more how-to videos, visit Reelcraft.com.